I've been sick this whole week. Oh, so no tournaments this week. But update on collection. Finally, bro. I ordered this one when we had no taxes, and I'm getting it now. Holy shoot, bro. Oh, Mill. I'm not even gonna lie. Prime kind of sucks nowadays. Like, the only benefit is no shipping costs. But the whole shipping time is non-existent no more. Whatever. We got a new buddy, so let's go check it out. Alrighty. So today we got Dran Buster 160 SL. An attack type bay with the one hit KO blade, the one hit KO ratchet, and the super speedy SL. Let's actually do this one properly. And Alright, so first of all, we got a nice blue ripcord, but just like the instructions and this. Oh wait a second, whoa. Hold on. Wait, the bottom's blue? That's a nice blue. I wonder if you can take this off and put on another launcher. So we'll actually keep this. We got a cell. We got the 160. That's 1 point. Everything else is very rounded off. It's a nice ratchet. And now, finally have a Dran Buster. Go ahead and get that code in. Not the best scale in the world, but it's a scale, so let's see. 37. I have no idea if it's on the high or low side, but the ratchet is 6, then the bit is 3. Let's see the first assembly. But it actually fits 100% like flush. It was definitely designed with Dran Buster in mind. Actually feels like a good weight compared to my other bays, so let's see. 45. No idea if it's on the high or low side, but anyways, and we got Buster Dran. Let's test it out. Got the Dran Buster 160 SL. Hasbro Stadium. Let's get a flat launch real quick. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Hasbro Stadium seems a little bit too small for this guy already off the first rip. Just because he kept hitting that rail. 3, 2, 1, go. nice. Alright, so honestly, that wasn't even a full launch, and it's still self-KO'd. Doesn't really bode well for this blade. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. It's definitely got power, 100%. Let's try a winder real quick. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, go. Down, 3, 2, 1, go. You can do a delay launch. Launching. 3, 2, 1, go. Angle. 3, 2, 1, go. Come back if that gets a lucky hit. Alright. King of Stamina was the Dran 360 ball. Hold launcher for strength. 3, 2, 1, go. Got them hits, but didn't get an early hit. Can't get that bust down. Nope. 3, 2, 1, go. That was immediate. If anything had gone wrong, my eye probably would have went out. Like, my head was not even away from that. Try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It's not broken, so it definitely just sniped it twice. Like 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Try to stand away this time. Just hoping that it didn't actually just bust my rod. But damn. 360 ball did not stand a chance. That's 3 bursts in a row. Let's try it against the Phoenix Wing with the Shanks. 960 point. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, that's Divine Departure. Just right off the bat. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, a fucking flex, bro. A flex. The man said, yo, what are you doing? 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. fighting for my favorite spot right now. I'm telling you that much. 3, 2, 1, go. Buster Dran Buster again with another win. And the thing is, I haven't touched a ratchet yet. Okay? This ratchet is holding on for dear life right now. Like, it's actually stuck. There we go. Yeah, it was actually just stuck. But damn. I don't know if there's any point in testing anything else, but I mean, if you want to see it, I do have Cobalt Dragoon and Dagger Dran, but in all honesty, like I don't see a point in doing all this. Like I already know what's gonna happen. Yep, so that's Dran Buster 160 SL with the power of the hold launcher. I mean, if you can do your controlled powered launchers on anything else, do what you gotta do, but I'm a samurai, so 3, 2, 1, go.